Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both the XM4 and your PC so you can use the headset microphone reliably. Plug a high-quality USB-C cable from the XM4 into your PC's USB-A or USB-C port. This forces the headset into wired USB audio mode, which gives an actual mic input. Once done, install Sony Headphones Connect and check Windows Update to ensure USB audio drivers are current. Make sure the headset is powered on and not in Bluetooth-only mode before moving on. Now configure Windows so applications receive audio from the XM4 microphone. You open Sound Settings, choose the XM4 USB device as the default input, and set the input level around 70–85% to prevent clipping while keeping signal strong. Once set, test with Voice Recorder or the app you intend to use. If levels are low, enable Microphone Boost or tweak levels in Advanced Device Properties. Make sure other mics are disabled to avoid automatic switching and inconsistent input selection. Finish by optimizing and validating the connection so you get reliable mic performance. Change the headset's Windows Advanced Properties to 48 kHz for broad compatibility, then reopen your conferencing or recording app and explicitly select the XM for USB input. If audio sounds distorted or cuts out, try a different USB cable or a powered hub. This fixes insufficient power or poor wiring. One key troubleshooting tip: if the mic doesn't appear at all, reboot the PC with the headset plugged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.